Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Facebook profile, rather your cover photo right here. So I'm going to show you step by step how to create your Facebook cover photo. So what we'll do guys is first I'm going to show you what a cover photo looks like. So if you go to your Facebook account right now, this is my own account. If you go to your account and click on your profile, you can see that it displays this page, right? So this is what is called your cover photo here on Facebook. This is mine, as you can see right here. So you can edit your photo by clicking on the edit button here, and this leads you into your album and your photos, and it shows you your albums and your photos, and it helps you choose any photo right here to upload as your profile picture. And once you as your cover photo, sorry, and once you do that, you can upload, so you can realign the picture, you can drag to adjust the position of the picture, and when you're happy with it, you can save changes right here. So, but how do you create a picture that's got this correct, got this exact dimension? That is why this video is being created. So guys, what you do guys is to simply go to Canva. That's the best and easiest way to provide, or to create rather, your Facebook cover photo. Go to Canva right here, and it gives you here various options. Here you can create different items, create your thumbnails and any photos you want to create at all. It can help you make different social media posts. Right, so the very first thing you do guys is to go to the search bar right here and Facebook, type in Facebook cover photo. And once you do that guys, it gives you various options here. You can choose any one you want here. I'm going to choose this one that says here Facebook cover photo, and beside here you can see that it gives you the dimension of the Facebook photo right here. So we'll choose this option, and it opens up to this page. Once you're here guys, you can try to use any of these for your photo, your Facebook photo if you want, or you can actually decide to create a new one from scratch. Let's create a new one for ourselves and let's see what it looks like. So the good thing here guys is that you don't have to go ahead wondering what a dimension should be or what it shouldn't be. You have the right dimension here, so all you can do is to go here and choose a photo that blends appropriately with this dimension, and so you can have your Facebook cover photo easily created. But let's say we want to create we're in the dog niche, right? On dog niche, we want to create something in dog niche. For example, we can decide to go here into pictures if we like, okay, or just let's see, let's give it a try here. Let's type in, okay, sorry, let's type in dog. Let's see what it gives us. These are all dogs, as you can see right here. So it gives you all these options to choose from if you want. If you don't want that, you can go to your photos right here on the left hand corner. Here, this margin right here. You go here, click on photos, and it gives you various options here. It gives you a search bar here to click on to type what you're looking for. Want dog or dogs, right? Dogs. And these are various dogs right here, and you can use any of these ones for your cover photo design. Let's say we want to put at this one, for instance. You can see right here, this is a dog photo. If you like this one, you can actually expand it to this amount, okay, and you have your dog photo right here, and then you can put any other thing. You can go here to add, let's say you can add, let's say add bones, okay, bones. No, that's a little bit uh not very cool. Let's see, let's add something, and let's add a basket, right? A basket, a basket. You can add a basket right here, okay, and put it right here. This is just an example guys of what you may want to do for your Facebook cover photo, right? I'm just wondering what you could want here, and you can go here, you can add some text right here and put let's say want some text. We can say we can say all about dogs, right? Okay, all about dogs, for instance. Now, this mustn't be what you do, but I mean, let's say you want to do something about dogs. This could be like what you come up with, and let us choose to shade our text to a different color. Let's say we want to make our text Want to make our text black? Let's say it looks. No, our text should be something like red, maybe. No, or yellow. We can make it red, or we can do even black. Let's do black color, and then we'll go into the elements and choose sort of slate. Okay, we'll go here and we'll choose rectangle. Okay, rectangle shape. We'll choose that right here. This is the rectangular shape here. You go and put the shape over the text this way. Okay, you can do that. All about is covered, and then you can make this shape, make it yellow. Let's see if it's yellow color. Okay, something like that, just to blend in well with the black, right? Black, I would say yellow would do a good job. Okay, you can do this and do the same yellow right here. Duplicate it, put it over the dogs as well, then make it smaller, and then you can put this bars beneath the text. You can go here to position and put it underneath the text backward. You can go right here as well and go backward as well, say backward. Alright guys, nothing too much here, as you can see right here, all about dogs. So this might be your niche and you want to put all about dogs here. So this basically, the good thing is that you have your design right here and you can easily use this design because you already have this dimension of your Facebook cover arts, as you can see right here. Let's make it lower here and delete. Let's move this away and let's delete this basket from here. It doesn't look very good. Put it back here. So we have our text looking good here. So this is how you may want to do your Facebook cover art if it's all about dogs. And let's say you go here to download. You go here to download. You download as PNG. You download it, and it is downloaded. As you can see right here, is downloaded. And what I'll do is I'll simply go to Facebook, back to Facebook. I'm going back to cover art, back to my Facebook. Go back to my profile and to cover art, as you can see right here, and click on edit cover photo. Click right here, select photo. Now when you see select photo, guys, it means that the photo already exists in your albums, right? But if you say you want to edit here and you say upload photo, it means that it's coming from your drive, right? So I'm going to do upload here from my drive. Upload right here. It goes to my drive. This is my photo right here. It says all about dogs. So I'll click there and it uploads. As you can see right here, it's loading. And this is the photo I just created from Canva, all about dogs. So if you observe carefully, guys, this photo fits perfectly into the space here, which is very good, which is what you want. The issue is that most times when you do photos, cover photos without using that the Canva organizer to help you get the right dimension, what happens is that you get a photo that crops out your images in a way that you don't really want them to or want it to. So that's the downside to not using Canva to help you do that. So once you're happy with this, guys, just go ahead and save, and by that you have created your Facebook cover photo. Alright guys, that's how to make a cover photo. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you subscribe, like, share, and see my next video. Bye for now.